Just because I can hold him, she'll let you have him.
This is a little boy. He's 2 months old, and he's adorable. Oh, goodness. Hello there.
Face, baby.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
Hi, gorgeous. His litter mates went to the pet fair today, and he didn't go because, just because he's scared.
Wrinkly guy. You little wrinkly guy.
Looks like a little old man.
He does. Nope.
No
He goes, well, maybe.
It smells good.
It's okay.
You can have it.
Oh, he's so scared.
Honey, it's okay.
He's so scared.
So he's a tan and white. Tan
He's
and
brindle.
He's brindle.
He's brindle, and
But he's browns and tans and whites.
he's adorable.
And he's absolutely gorgeous. And he can only go to a rescue because he is afraid.
He's too afraid. Look at. He looks like little hands.
It's okay if you go to the right
So
home.
those
You'll
are my
be
hands.
okay. Yeah, you're just scared.
No, but like human.
You're just scared, little baby.